Bathroom over there. You guys got some notebooks.
They gave us candies.
Mom got.
They gave us candies.
Candies. Oh, shit, that.
We got some chocolate cookies.
Oh, what did she say that the name of the park was?
Hyatt Park.
No, it's not Hyatt Park. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Oh, Gotham.
Holy crap. We are far up.
Gotham.
I don't know.
Gotham.
Were we the
name of that park is Gotham.
I don't think so. I think the Meiji Shrine's over there.
No, that's the name
But
of the park is
Shinjuku Park Hyatt Hotel. Thank you. Yeah, boy. That's the stuff right there. Okay, so we just got straight otoro from Tsukiji Fish Market. Let's go give Hunter and Hazen a taste first. Hi. Oh, yakitori. Oh. Number one. We gotta find them. Yeah, let's see. I think they're down here. Chanel is looking for king crab. I think they're over here.
Excuse me, sorry. Where did you buy that?
Just go straight down. When you see the alley, go to the right. Yep. Yep. See, I know how to sell fish. I don't know where. Chanel and Marno. Oh, they're over there. They're over there. Here. Yeah, try. No, here. Try this. Right there. Who's gonna do first taste? Here, let me try.
Knuckle. It's sweet. I like it.
Oh wow.
Sweet.
Natural sweetness. Here. Here, try this, Rick. That's otoro.
Oh. Is it frozen?
I don't know.
Excuse me, I want to get. Oh, it's frozen.
Oh, is it frozen still?
It's cold. You're supposed to cook it. It's kind of hard.
Give me frozen fish.
I
Oh,
want me to get them the Eddie.
Too frozen.
too frozen. Right there, 600 right there. Come
I
on,
hate this one.
You want one of those?
Is it 1,000 one? And what is that?
600.
Sea cucumber?
Ooh.
You can eat that? Oh, it's kind of. Oh, you can only eat like the inside. Oh my god. That's expensive. Sea cucumber. Oh, $2,000 for a piece. No, 1 kilogram. Oh, 1 kilogram.
Right, you see, I can get that from the ocean all the time. Green tea, matcha. Good.
Let's try it.
Like they put the powder directly into the cream. Mmm. Mmm. Scott. Watch out!
Stop me! He stopped me! I'm grabbing him. Ah! They hate me.
Yeah, because you're eating their
Family.
whole generation. There's like 5,000 shrimps in there, man.
Yeah. It's yummy.
Ooh.
It's yummy.
And then look, the big ones. Oh wow.
300.
Oh yeah. Oh, you want to try?
Can we try? Yes.
You want to try? They're eating the small one already.
I want to try. It's a big. This is my new pet.
Let me see. You went from the small one to the big one.
Oh, it's really good.
You like
Wait,
it?
what happened?
You guys want to try the taco too? Oh, crab. There's the crab.
Thank you. The big one tastes good. It has more flavor. Can you just eat this thing whole?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Oh. I got the body.
Can I try the taco?
Oh, that's crunchy.
Taco. You guys want taco?
Yeah. Crunchy.
Taco.
Taco's good. Okay.
Taco's good.
Look at this.
Let me try some.
Look at the size comparison.
Baby.
Yeah, he eating the baby.
This is the camera.
Show the camera. The size.
The size comparison.
Oh man, you got the baby and the mommy, and the daddy.
There's no more baby no more.
Oh wow. You got a big one.
Yep. He's the father.
What's up, bro? You like my little leggies?
Crunchy, crispy, juicy, tender. There's no meat in there.
No meat.
It's dried, that's why I saw.
Dried up. The flavor though, you got that shrimp flavor. I bet.
Oh, here's some meat.
Oh there, you got the meat.
No, but it's dried up. Hey, wow, reunited. It's good. Oh, I took some of his meat. This is good.
Yeah.
It's crunchy. They can also do the gritty.
Don't.
Oh, shoot.
Arigato gozaimasu. Mmm. Oh, the taco is good.
Yeah.
Wow. Hi, thank you.
Cheese.
Second try. Let's second try. Put this for me.
Oh, water. I'm doing my dance.
Go kind of frozen. Oh, Bobby got me. Yeah.
This is Ueno.
This is indeed Ueno. I remember. From here. Oh, watch my kids go straight to the gachapons. Watch this. Like moths to a flame.
I have some money.
The shrimp is so juicy, dude. So good.
The cheese is so good.
The cheese is good?
Is it mustard cheese?
Good?
No cheese pull though. But
No
it's
cheese ball? But still good?
like sharpest cheddar ever.
Oh, sharp cheddar.
No, I don't think so.
This guy, a professional photographer right here. No? What are you shooting? Sick, dude. Oh, you mother. Swing, swing, swing. Oh! Swing, swing. Swing it this way. What the? No, I'm gonna go one more time. Yeah, thank you. Bro!
I stole your cat.
Chicken nugget.
Take a picture, half hold to focus, and then snap to stop. So look, boom, boom. Back up, back up.
Hi! Hi! Let me turn the camera. Okay. We're in Tokyo. Tokyo. We're in Tokyo.
And you're getting this in the middle. Where
So, what do you mean half hold?
Photographer practice. Where's mommy? She's pulling up gang signs on me. Chicken nuggets and this is chicken nugget. Yeah. Chicken. What is in the sky?
half hold.